Well, welcome back once again. This is Bitcoin J, Get That Crypto. We're here to talk about TheAnimal.Farm, one of the most highly coveted, the highly anticipated platforms, I think probably in yield farming history. Most successful yield farming history made by those guys at Forex. But I was a late bloomer. I was not able to take part in the pre-sale. And that's all my fault because that's bad planning on my behalf. But it is not too late. And let me go over something real quick. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. And if you lose money, that's completely on you. If you make money, that's completely on you. All this video is for entertainment purposes only. And I am showing you the plays that I am in. And I may lose money, I may make money. It's really all for entertainment. But if you see value in this, I will leave a link in the description to the TheAnimal.Farm, right? Please, I would love for you to use my referral, all right? I'll leave that in the description. You can get started. And listen, I will tell you, I hate to say I recommend it, but dude, here's the deal. I watched this token go from 36 bucks, the pig token. There's two native tokens to TheAnimal.Farm. You have the pig token and you have the dog token. Both of them are highly coveted. But the one that you want is the pig token, right? I watched the pig token go from 36 bucks. It's almost $900 a coin right now. It's crazy. Absolutely insane. So let me go over real quick my $1 million game plan for TheAnimal.Farm because this is all about trying to make some money, some life-changing retirement type money. I'm all about that, man. I'd love to do the laptop lifestyle. I'm sure you would too. You hear a lot of people talking about it. So let's go over this. There's plenty of platforms on this app that you can use. You can use the farming. You can use the pools. Me personally, I'm not messing with the pools right now. I will eventually. I mean, look at this. This is $4,100. Jeez. Ooh, 4,100% APR. 1,000% APR, 818% APR, 1,300%. I mean, this is insane. Now, granted, this is the early phase. These APRs are probably going to go down. More than likely, that's exactly what's going to happen. So the goal is to get involved as soon as you can. But my 100% goal right now is to get involved in this combination right here, this LP combo, this liquidity pool, this drip dash BUSD. Again, I got in late, but what I did was I cashed out a few things that I had some profit on, a few other crypto investments I had profit on. And I also am involved in the drip garden, okay? I have about 1,260 plants. That's going to be growing soon, I promise. So I let that build up for a few days. I cashed out this morning what I could. Right now it's up to $14.28. That's awesome. I wanted to get higher. Obviously, I need more plants for that to go, for that to happen, excuse me. But the goal is to let this build, and I'm going to harvest that, and it'll already be split into my liquidity pairs, right? Go back to the farm and dump everything in this liquidity pool, right? Because my goal is to get as many pigs as possible. Why do I want as many pigs as possible? I'm also going to go after the dog tokens, which, by the way, soon both of these tokens will be released on PancakeSwap. Don't know when that is, probably in the next few days. I'm sure you'll see them, all right? I recommend that if you like the program, you get involved, you buy some. But the biggest goal is to start, getting some drip, some BUSD, anything you can to get involved, to start staking, all right? So you can get the pig tokens. Again, I say, why do you want the pig token? Well, you want the pig token because the pig token is the number one token on this site. Why is the pig token so important? Because here it is. This is from the creators of TheAnimal.Farm. The pig pen is our governance staking protocol where holders of the pigs token become owners of the platform by staking their pigs. As an owner of the platform, you not only earn a high yield BUSD dividend, I believe that's each day, okay, which is generated from the platform's deposit fees, as well as the taxes associated with the underlying assets. You also get a vote on future proposals presented by the development team. So, if you've ever wanted to be an owner of something, a major platform, a major online entity, especially in the crypto space, this is the opportunity. Imagine you're able to partake in every transaction that's going through this site. The more pig tokens you have, the more you're going to get paid on these transactions. Now, let's go back to the farm. This liquidity pool, these liquidity pools are a way to stake your tokens and generate massive amounts of the pig and dog tokens. All right, dog tokens, pig tokens. All right, but this is the one liquidity pool that I'm targeting. I'll start to target more of them, but this is the one that I got my eyes dead set on. All right, already since this morning, I've actually, you know, what's funny? The program dropped at 11 a.m. The app dropped. It was open for business at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because I'm on the East Coast, obviously. Um, but I wasn't even able to partake in the liquidity pool till about 4 or 4:30 this evening. So, but I was watching. As soon as it was open, bam, I jumped in it, and already I put in about 2,100 bucks. Right, I've already made $9.32 worth of pig. The goal is like I said again, I'm gonna get as many pigs as I can. I'm gonna put them in this pig pen right here, and we're gonna start to partake in the good old ownership. And that's the goal. That should be everybody's goal. I hope that's your goal. So if you want to get involved in this, I highly recommend that's what you do. Um, the other thing is you want to have your money working for you, right? So I would highly recommend you go to your drip garden or your drip liberation. And if you have any BNB or BUSD, some spare BNB and BUSD, you turn that into a liquidity pair, which you're going to go to the garden and you're going to plant some seeds, right? You're going to plant them. And the planting of the seeds is going to generate you money every day. The more seeds you have, the more plants you have, the more seeds are produced, the more money you're going to make. So that is also going to feed the machine, right? So I don't know what you're working with. You can start off with very little money, or if you got a nice chunk of change somewhere, maybe you sold a house, you got a nice little profit sitting on something, you got some inheritance. I don't know what you got, but right now, wherever it's sitting, it's probably not making you the return that you'd hope for. So if that's the case, listen, if I'm that person that has the money in the bank, just chilling, thinking, oh, I'm sitting on some stacks, I'm letting my stacks work for me. I'm putting it into this manor farm garden, right? To grow my money. Basically, this is going to pay you up a maximum of 3% a day. There's nothing else going to do something like that, man. So you get your money, you make that 3% per day, and then you're going to turn around and you're going to put it in this liquidity pool, right? And you're going to earn that pig token. You're going to take that pig token and you're going to put it in the pig pen. And that pig pen is going to get you percent of every transaction on this freaking website, which is absolutely incredible. Nobody out there is doing stuff like this. So again, this was a highly anticipated drop. It's dropped. Get involved. I'm going to leave my link in the description. So if you find value in this video, use my referral link to get started, right? But the other thing too is if you find value in the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't leave a brother hanging like that. I mean, also, I almost forgot. Listen, my audio, I'm trying to work on this. I'm kind of in an echoey room, so it's kind of, I'm sorry, but I'm recording, man. Listen, I don't have time to get it perfect for you. I put my heart and my thoughts out there. So if you find that you connect with that and you're down with that nobody's perfect out there, but guess what? The message is a good message. Get involved in something like this. Use my referral link. Like, subscribe. Let people know about this. Let people know you like Big J. Let people know you like Bitcoin J. This is for you guys. This isn't necessarily for me. I'm going to do what I do anyway. But I'm showing you what I'm doing and hopefully find some value in that. And if you do, spread the word. Like, subscribe. Bitcoin J. We're going to put some more videos out. I'm going to show you the progress. I'm going to show you some other plays that I'm in. And I hope you like them. All right? Let me know. Leave me some comments. Good and bad. I don't care. I like them both. I got some bad ones too. People talking about my audio and the music I was playing in a couple other videos. Hey, you got to take the good with the bad. But guess what? We're going to keep making this money. We're going to get that crypto. And I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.